Young Philly has seen his career soar in recent years and is now one of the UK's biggest rising stars. And in March 2022, he is showing off his cooking skills on Celebrity Bake Off. 1. Young Philly is a rising star known for his YouTube channel and now Celebrity Bake OffCredit, PA. Who is Young Philly and what is his real name? Young Philly is a British internet comedian, singer, and social media personality. Although he goes by Young Philly, his real name is Andres Felipé Barrientos. The 26-year-old was born on August 6, 1995, and is a whopping 6 foot 2 inches height. He has a huge following on Instagram at Young Philly, where he boasts 1.6 million followers. He is affiliated with Chunks, a rapper who also happens to be his best buddy. Both Young Philly and Chunks have worked together on many YouTube videos and tracks. What is Young Philly famous for? Young Philly established his YouTube channel in November 2013 and now has nearly 2 million subscribers. He is best known for being a member of the comedy group known as The Wall of Comedy. He appeared in the 2020 edition of Soccer Aid, and is cooking up a storm on Celebrity Bake Off in March 2022. Is Young Philly married and does he have children? The online celebrity keeps his private life away from the cameras. As a result, it is believed he is single. It is also not reported whether he has children or not. What is Young Philly's net worth? Young Philly's exact net worth is unknown at this time. Some sites estimate he earns around £100,000 a year from YouTube. YouTubers rarely have one source of income and often sell their own products, secure sponsorships, or earn money through affiliate commissions. Young Philly will also earn cash from Instagram, but the exact amount is unknown.